we have some new shoes for the Mustang. Okay, so the first wheel is off. That's my hand. That's how wide that tire is, so. What's up guys, how's it going? Thanks for tuning in to another video. It's your boy Rush, back at it again. Today, as you've read the title of the video, we have some new shoes for the Mustang. I'm currently actually waiting at a Starbucks parking lot because I'm meeting up with someone that is selling these wheels. They came up for sale, messaged the seller, ended up working at a good price, so I'm just pulled the trigger on them. I did really want to change out the performance pack wheels. I want something different that shows off my calipers, especially after I got them painted yellow and everything. I think it's just, they need to show a little more, and I hate cleaning those performance pack wheels. They're just such a pain in the butt because there's so many spokes on them. So this set is a pretty good price. It comes with tires, sensors, ready to go. So I'll have 2 sets of wheels and tires, and that's nice to have. So anyways, we're meeting up with a seller right now. You got the cash right here. And yeah, man, it's pretty exciting times, man. The Mustang is getting a little bit of a makeover. So this is good for also when we up the power, because these are 11-inch rears and 10-inch in the front, so you can fit a bigger tire on there, and that's exactly what we need. We need to be able to put a little more rubber to the ground, so that way the car can get some traction, because once we up the power, she's going to spin. She already spins right now at her current power levels, but you can only imagine when she's running 700-800 horsepower, it's just going to get a lot more squirmy. So this is a good setup to go to. We'll probably end up doing drag radials or like a bead lock in the future, but for right now I think it's gonna be good enough. So anyways, once the guys pulls up, we'll show you the wheels, and then we'll mount them on the car today, and then just give you some rolling shots and good stuff like that, so you guys can see exactly how they look. And let me know what you think in the comments below once you see them.
Yeah, so I had them set up with the shorty valve stems. It cleans them up a little bit. They have the TPMS inside. They are ceramic coated, so it should make keeping them clean a little bit easier. Keeps them all nice and clean.
Oh, they look gorgeous, man.
Yeah. So these they come with the socket adapter on them. You can change these out. These are really cheap. They're like $25 for the set on late model if you decide you don't like the chrome ones. But
okay, they don't look
these
too
ones,
bad,
they're clean. They work good.
And the tires are brand new, huh?
Yes, indeed. Yep, tires are all brand new.
Sweet.
And, still got the little nibs you can see on on the tread. I think my car's been parked up for the winter because obviously the weather's been crap. So
cool, man. All right, guys. So we got the wheels. They're loaded in the car. Now it's time to race home and get everything mounted. These wheels are ready to go. They're balanced. They have the sensors in them, brand new tires, and they're ceramic coated, which is gonna make my life a lot easier. So really excited. So here we go, heading over to the house right now. Throw them on the Mustang. Draw's gonna help me out. He took 3 of the wheels. I only have 1 in the back here, so if we lose Rod, we lose 3 wheels. Alrighty guys, so we just made it back. We're about to throw the wheels on the Mustang. First time seeing how they look. They're pretty wide, 325, 30, 19 in the back. So it's definitely gonna have an aggressive wide patch. I mean, that's my hand. That's how wide that tire is, so definitely should give us some decent grip for sure. And they're pretty nice wheels, I'm not gonna lie. They look really good, and I think they're just gonna pop off exactly how I want them. They're ceramic coated, which is awesome, and I think I have some black lug nuts that I'm gonna throw on. So here we go. Okay, so the first wheel is off. Now the cool thing about this new setup is that I won't have to rock a spacer anymore, and it's something I don't want to do for too long, so it was kind of a temporary option to get the car looking right, with the fitment, but definitely feels better to not rock spacers and just go with a proper wheel. These have a bit of a concave in, so they should sit pretty flush, hopefully, with the fenders, and have a nice clean look to them. Pretty stoked. So let's see how they look. We're gonna get the spacer off real quick. Oh my god, guys, we just got the first one on. What a difference. Look at how much more the caliper shows. Oh, I can't wait to get this thing on the ground. We're gonna go ahead and tighten it up and then drop it in the back. Intense. All right, guys, we're gonna continue working. I'm gonna show you guys the finished result. I just wanted to show you a little bit of a sneak peek. But they're coming out really nice. I couldn't find my black lug nuts, so we're going with the chrome ones for now. But even those look pretty good. I mean, kind of shows off the little SVE logo there, so it's not too bad. There's a little bit of chrome.
The white and the chrome from the headlights.
Yeah, so good. It's working all right. So we might just end up keeping it that way.
Oh man, oh man. Bro, she looks thick. Thick like a bowl of oatmeal. Bro, the concave on the rear looks so good.
So first side is done. You guys just got to see it. We reversed the car back in. We're doing the second side. But man, the calipers show so much more now. It is crazy how big of a difference these wheels have made. I mean, look, you can barely see anything in there. And I want the other side real quick. Give you a glimpse. Check that out. Pretty impressive. So shout out to my boy Drod.
Let's go, boys.
He is killing this swap real quick. We need to get my boy Drod to 1,000 followers, 1,000 YouTube subscribers. We should be able to easily do it. Head over to his channel.
All seriousness, boys, the 325s look absolutely like sinister in person. It looks thick, like that.
I'm going to show you guys the contact patch from the back. So this is 275s. And this is a 315. As you can see, much wider.
25.
325. It's just beefy.
Like unheard of, bro. That's literally thick.
Looks like a bicycle tire on this side.
The dummy tire?
Oh man. I have a lot of tires and wheels going on, like a ton of them at this point. So 2 full sets of wheels and about 6 tires hanging out in the garage. Literally could start a tire shop at this point. wider in the front, so around the turns, yeah, it feels stable. I'm just happy that there's no vibrations or anything. Like, it's a smooth. Like, we just pulled up to that thing, super smooth all the way through.
It honestly feels like it's on rails, dude.
Yeah. There's the tunnel, boys.
Give her a couple down revs. Ooh, one more.
Okay.
All right. Yo, side ting likes the boogie. This thing feels like, honestly, it feels more responsive. It feels like like where I like the little maneuvers you're doing, I could feel the rear end and everything just stick. The tires are like.
Alright guys, want to find a good spot to pull off and show you guys the wheels, final look of the car, get some slow-mo shots, you know, wrap it up. But so far I'm pretty impressed. First drive is success. The wheels feel smooth, no TPMS lights, nothing, which is exactly what I wanted. Not having to deal with any of that crap. So yeah, and she got a big fat booty looking at it from here and there.